Hello one more time on this very wet Monday. I don't know what it's doing up there by you guys, but the rain just picked up a little bit by us. So I hope you're staying safe and staying dry. I hope that you are having a great day and are ready for some indoor fun over the next little bit. Be a great day to get ahead of some of these things, and good news for you, you've got a new game to play. So let's look at it. Oh, sorry, I gotta turn this one this way. The directions are actually at the top of the game, so let me zoom in a little bit so you can see it. It says, work with a partner, meaning one. Oh, and you need your counters too. Sorry, I forgot to say that. In your packet, I know we've pulled these out once before, but you should have had some circles, some red and some blue counters. You're going to want those today. Again, if they're a little bit too big, you can get 3 of anything that are the same, well, actually multiples of anything that are the same color so that you know who is who. But it says, work with a partner, one person, and take turns putting a counter on one square. I'm going to pull my counters off here. The objective or the goal is to try to cover a line of 3 numbers with a sum of 10 using counters of a matching color. So basically, I need to take these values, put 3 in a row, and make 10. No more, no less than 10. So let's keep going. Each time you do this, you score 1 point. Each time you score a point, record the equation, remove the 3 counters, and continue playing. Observe your partner's moves and block if needed. The first player to score 3 points wins the game. So let's say I was playing this, I don't know about you, I like to start in the middle. So I'm going to cover up this 7/10. Oops, sorry, you can't see that. Let me zoom it back out. So there was my move. I just did 7/10. My next goal is I have to be thinking about making 10 all the time. So think about this. Avoiding or not thinking about a partner at all. If I was playing by myself, if I start here, where can I go to make 10? Well, if I'm dealing in 7/10, if you didn't watch the video already this morning about adding tenths and things like that, if I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and my goal is to make 10 of these, to do that, I've got to first make this a whole tenth, and I'm 3/10 short of that, so I'm going to want to pair myself up to something that has 3/10 in it. So if I'm here, a good spot to go would be here to make a whole amount, or here to make a whole amount. So if this was my move, my partner who's trying to play against me is going to want to try to block me from these things because they don't want me to get those numbers. So you kind of have to be thinking about your math and their math at the same time. Let's just say in a perfect world I was playing by myself and I want to go here, no partner's blocking me or my partner's not paying attention, something like that. I now have 5 3/10 and an extra 7/10. So that 7/10 is going to be enough to bump this from 5 holes to 6 holes. So on my next turn, where am I going to want to go? I have 6. I want to get to 10. 5 is going to be too many. That's 11. That doesn't work for me. So I want to go over here and play this. This would make a perfect 10. So to earn my point, I would need to say 4 holes plus 7/10. Oops, sorry, there was a 0 on there. Plus 5 3/10 equals 10. So this will be Mrs. Cott number 1, Mrs. Cott number 2, Mrs. Cott number 1 just got a point. Okay, and the goal is to get to 3. Now, unfortunately, in this game, it's not that easy. You don't just get to take 3 random turns. So if I went here and the person I was playing with was paying attention, they might go here. I can't do that anymore. Or I could notice that that same number is over here, so my next move might be to try to go here. But if they're paying attention, they're going to block that off, so I can't win. So now I have choices. I could either try to match up to 4 holes or to 7/10. Well, I already figured out 7/10 I need 3, so there's that. And now you just kind of keep going back and forth. Let's just say my partner wasn't paying attention and they want to help themselves out. They're going to go here. Well, good news for me. If I paired these up, I was at 3 holes right here, and I can make a match. Boom, lucky me. These 3 would get recorded. I would get a point, but then they come off. so that these are open spots again, which might help this person back out because now they could match up. So you're going to have to be pretty crafty, be keeping track of your math. Make sure you play, and then whoever gets 3 gets to record those points and those 3 tokens come off. All right? Have a great day. I hope you guys have fun playing this one.